Hello guys, nice to meet you. Today we're glad to introduce our one new CNC Lathe cutting machine for you. This machine has many our new design and difference with other regular models. Now please follow me to check it. Firstly, you can see we can use one very big size gantry to support the lathe height to move from right to left. This gantry can be large the size, like the 3 meters or 4 meters, all no problem. And in here, the very important difference you can see in the rod we use one H steel to support one transmission system. And this transmission system is different like the straight line guide. It uses the railway guide for these machines. The railway is usually for the train walking for the long distance. And this is because these machines usually can use for the large or bigger models like the 24 meter or 30 or 40 meters. This advantage than the straight line is for the straight line, if you can have the little error in the beginning, it will cause more and more big errors in the behind. It will damage the machines. But if we use this railway transmission system, we will have note these mistakes or errors. It can work for long distance with very perfect situation and not damage the machines if you have only little errors. And in here you can check it. We have one router. It like the machines can cut the square tube and the rod pipe and other styles of the tube material. So this machine can cut the sheet metal and the rod pipe materials together. So if you also have interested about this machine or have the related cutting requirements, contact me. I will offer the most suitable accessories according to need. Okay, thank you.